Black Beetle, cream seats in the Regal, rocking John Lennon lenses, like to see him spread eagle. Took a bitch to the club, let a party on the table, screaming everybody's famous. Like clockwork, I blow it all and get some more. Get you somebody that can do both. Black Beetle got the bass belly rolling. She thinks she love me, I think she trolling. That girl is a real crowd pleaser. Small world, all her friends know me. Young boo living like an old geezer. Release the cash, watch it fall slowly. That girl is a real crowd pleaser. Small world, all her friends know me. Young boo living like an old geezer. Release the cash, watch it fall slowly. Release the cash, release the cash, release the cash, watch it fall slowly. Release the cash, release the cash, release the cash, watch it fall slowly.
Alright guys, welcome on the live stream. I hope you're doing very well. So really good things to talk about on Bitcoin. Some possible bullish and bearish scenarios. So I'm more bearish, on short term, of course. On long term is full bullish, full bullish. We are going to reach 100k. But yeah guys, don't forget to smash this like button. This is really important. Also to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, also don't forget we have a Discord server, so if you want to join it, feel free to do it. The link is just right below in the description. And also a Twitter account. So where is this? Twitter just right there. We are 6 followers, so not a lot because I was not a lot on Twitter before. So let's move this like that, alright. So don't forget also to subscribe to the Twitter account. And let's jump into the Bitcoin chart here. So you guys, hope you are doing very well. If you want to chat with me, you can by the chat, the live stream. I hope there is not a lot of lags, here. I'm sorry, I cannot live with a really good quality because my internet connection is not that good, so all my apology for this. But anyway. So yeah, we're gonna see some possible scenarios here on Bitcoin. So I'm going to remove some waves here, all of these, for example, in this scenario 1. Just right there, all of this here. And we are good. So this one I'm going to remove this one too to hide this. Alright, so our current scenario here, as you know it, we are in this big wave to retracement that is possibly finished in case we do this scenario here. In that case, we are going to the 100k directly, here, directly, we're going to finish this Elliott wave here, then retrace, and after this rocket, guys, for real. that will be the bottom if we are in this scenario, you know. But I'm going to show you that after, you know. So I'm gonna go on daily here. So yeah, big wave to retracement. There is a lot of waves. I'm so sorry about that. But yeah, as you can see, the yellow wave here is a big wave to retracement. As you can see, the two here. On this wave, we are in the WXY. That are the pink waves here. And yeah, inside this Y leg we did an ABC. In this scenario it's finished. In the other one, if we go to 20k, it's not finished at all. We are still in. So that's what we're going to see. And yeah, as you can see, this big ABC in this scenario is not finished, you know. So what we can read now on this chart here, I'm gonna go on the 4 hour, I think it's gonna be better. So this last wave is just, I don't really like it, you know. Yeah, and goals don't really match, you know, with the waves here. So anyway, possible thing we did here, I don't know if we reached the last possible target for this Y leg here, the blue one, the light blue one here. No, we didn't touch this 161.8. That is the maximum target here for Y leg here, you know. So in that case, we will reach around 23k. I just gonna turn invisible the square here. You know, this is just goals of this wave. So I'm going to go on daily here. The goals of this ABC, you know, just right there. So like that. Here the first goal is a 61.8, just right there, you know, as you know it, I think, because if you watch in my videos you should know it. So yeah, 61.8 is the first target, and the second one is a 100%. It will bring us to 11k. For now we are not far with this wave 5 here. It don't really match, you know, with goals, but we have to see if we do what we do in this wave 3, if we do this scenario, of course. So there is also this 4,000 target here on this 123, but this is really too low in my opinion. You know, we are not going here. So yeah, anyway, let's go on the 4 hour here. So we have a nice red candle here, you know. I'm gonna go on the 1 hour just to check quickly what we do. Yeah, we are still stuck a bit. So yeah, the scenario here will be we finish this WXY with this Y leg here, you know, just right there. Inside that will be the correction wave, you know, of this wave 2, just right there. And after this we are rocketing to the 20k, you know, here in this area here, you know. Sorry. Right, okay, sorry. So yeah, we are rocketing after this to the 20k here. And maybe more down, you know, here. So we have to see the two scenarios I'm going to show you. This is the first one, and the second one match, you know. I mean match, not exactly the second one, you know, the bullish scenario, but it's still possible, you know, that we do something like that. So that will bring us to really low prices, you know. In my opinion, here is not really good to short this, because of the two possible scenarios, you know. I prefer to wait. We already bought this bottom just right there, you know. I mean, with free members I stopped the trade on this here, and with VIPs I just let the trade go, you know. So you guys, don't forget also to join the Discord server. It's really important. Just right there, you know, we have a Discord server, so Moonshot Discord server, the Moonshots community, just on it. So that's pretty cool. And anyway, so yeah, I hope, oh no, okay, that's cool. So yeah, nice reject here. I don't remember what I was saying. So yeah, I don't recommend to short here, you know. It's too uncertain in my opinion. You can try if you want, but with the profit we just did, it will be really bad, you know, to lose everything here. I prefer to wait some of the waves, you know, to be sure we are going down, and to short this. So yeah, that will be the possible scenario for new people that are coming on the live stream. It will bring us to 20k, you know, around 20k or 11k, you know, these two targets here, or this big C wave here, you know. For now, this impulsive wave, you know, don't really match. But anyway, that's not a problem. You know, we're gonna see with the smaller wave, with the smaller waves, you know, inside this wave 3, where this wave 3 can go here, you know. So yeah, this is a first scenario here. We can still finish this B wave here, but I clearly don't see the pattern here. You know, we will do something like that. We will not be inside this Elliott wave in that case. So I'm just going to hide this. We will finish, you know, this B wave here, and after this go to the downside here. This is also possible, you know, for example, do a WXY, but finish with the WXY will mean a triangle after this, so it will still we will still be in the range, you know, for a long time, because up down up down up down for a long moment, you know, five ways, you know. So that will be really boring, but I really don't think about that. But yeah, that this is possible that we are finishing this B wave too. I really don't think so, you know, here. Right, let's move it. Alright, I'm just gonna not replay, but do it like that, it's gonna be easier. Alright, perfect. So yeah, here what we can see on this 1 hour chart for now, we're gonna see the second scenario after this. So here we can clearly see a wave here, wave 1, 2, or AB, or WX. So we didn't touch this 161.8 last target for this, you know, for this it will be an ABC or a WXY. You don't really care, goals are the same, it's just smaller waves that change, you know. Here so the maximum target will be this, so it's still possible that we move, you know, a bit more down here like that. We jump after this to touch this 161.8 target here, and after this rocket to the downside, you know, once again one leg more to the downside, you know, here. So yeah, this is still possible. We do something like that, you know, here, in this scenario, you know, of course, in this scenario. So like I'm gonna go back on the 4 hour chart here, and yeah, let's talk about the bullish scenario here. That will bring us to really high prices, because first of all, we are, as I told you at the beginning of the live stream, you know, we did this big wave one, the yellow wave here, just right there. So I'm going to turn in, hide some waves here, because it's a bit, we don't really see the things here. Remove this too. I mean, not remove, just hide the waves. That's a bit better now. So I'm going to change to the color of this one. Maybe purple. Yeah, and the size here, that's better now. And let's move this into a smaller one, and with small numbers here, like that. It's perfect. So yeah, we're on this big wave to retracement. After this, I'm gonna go on daily to show you that the tops we can reach here, so it will bring us to 100k, you know, for sure. And yeah, this bull range completely different in my opinion. So here in this scenario, you know, we will be here in a wave, so in an impulsive wave, you know, here. Problem is the smaller wave inside this wave 3 here don't really match, you know, with an impulsive wave just right there. We can also do something like that, you know. I'm just going to turn invisible some things here on the screen. Like I'm gonna move it a bit bigger here, move it to the downside here. So we can do something like maybe reduce a bit, you know, just to explain you here. We can do something like that, you know. We did the wave 1 here, the wave 1 just right there, you know, wave 2, and the wave 3 with some extension inside this wave 3, you know. And this is really complex to find in the waves, you know. We can also do we can do also 1, 2, 3, 4 and an extension on the wave 5, you know. So for example 1, 2, 3, 4, that will be not really a normal Elliott wave, that will not match at all with goals, with targets, with Fibonacci tools. But yeah, on the wave 5 we can do something like that, you know. So I'm going to hide this, and this is possible that we did something like that, you know. But yeah, I don't find the answer on this one, you know, and I clearly don't see 5 way on this. RSI don't match with an impulsive Elliott wave. So yeah, it don't really match, you know. But anyway, this is still possible, you know. So I'm going to go on the 4 hour here. It's gonna be easier for me to fill the Fibo on the chart here. So yeah, wave 1 here, top will be just right there, because after this ABC flat with a 123 retracement here, you know, on the B wave, 3 waves per wave, you know, so 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 5 waves, you know, so that will be an ending. Only 3 waves per wave. The wave 4 can break the wave 1 top and go between the wave 1 top and the wave 2 bottom here, and then the wave 5 with 3 waves too, so 1 2 3, you know, just right there like that. This is possible that we did something like that, and in that case we will be in a correction. So it can be as the WXY I told you previously, but it can be also this. I don't see 5 waves 2 on the wave 1, sorry, and that's a problem, you know, of this scenario. But yeah, I prefer to show this one because it's still possible that we do something like that. So that will be the wave 3, you know, we are currently in. First I'm gonna show you the retracement we did just right there, you know, because yeah, most of the time it have maybe something like 7% of chance to stop on the 61, I mean between the 50 and the 61.8%, you know, it have 73 something like that percent to stop here. We did a big huge retracement on the 90%. What does it mean? It just means, you know, after a big retracement like that, you don't have a big wave 3, you know. You're not going to rocket to reach high prices, you know. It's not a big I mean, it's a big pump, you know. We did a crazy profit on this leg here, but it's not saying that it's going, you know, really high. We have to get the retracement on the wave 4, so maybe we did the wave 3 here, the wave 4 and the wave 5. So maybe we did already this Elliott wave, we did this top here, we are doing now the retracement, and we are not rocketing, you know, with this possible other scenario here to the downside to the 20k, you know. Maybe we're just doing a wave 2 retracement to go high after this, you know. And this is the problem here, really uncertain, you know, to market here. So it's going to be really interesting, you know, in the following days, maybe weeks, we don't know. Really interesting. So yeah, 90% retracement on this wave 2 just right there. And if you check the goal, we reach it here. Alright, I'm gonna move this after bottom here. Let's move this here, perfectly here. And yeah, what we reached at 161.8, this light blue goal here is a most common target. As you can see, we reached it, not perfectly at all. That's the problem too of this scenario. And just checking something quickly here. Alright, sorry. So, yeah, okay. So yeah, sorry. Yeah, 161.8 is the most common target, you know, for a wave 3. We didn't touch it exactly into this goal here, and that's a problem here, you know. But anyway, it's reached it, you know. So if we did the wave 4 here, I don't think we did the wave 4 yet, you know. The wave 5, the most common goal here is a 100%, you know. So we are possibly still in the wave 4 correction here, like that here, and the target, you know, for the wave 5 is the 100%. It's possible that we already finished this wave 4 because we did a 90% retracement here, and after 90% retracement, you know, it stopped most of the time on the 23.6 or on the 38.2, you know. We didn't touch it on each broker price here, you can see on the right, sorry. We didn't touch it, it's 38.2 just right there, you know. So that's a bit of a problem here, but yeah, we did big retracement and we stopped it. I mean, we touched this 23.6, went really more down, but yeah, I don't really like when it's not an exact touch, you know. It's possible that we do a last wave down, you know, before to move up in this scenario to touch this 38.2. You know, it will be like an ABC here, or well, yeah, it will be an ABC because we already broke it, this top just right there, you know. It will have to go a bit high, you know, to touch the 123 to do a flat, you know, ABC. it will do something like that, you know. So it will go higher here. I'm going to remove some things here like that. So yeah, it will be, you know, it will do an ABC here, but yeah, it don't really match with goals A, B, so B on the 123 here, and then the C. So yeah, this is really, there is so much possibilities currently, and I really don't like that, you know. So yeah, something like that here. But yeah, we have a nice reject currently on Bitcoin here, a nice red candle just right there. But yeah, look at this, we did a nice red candle here too, green, red, green, red, extra, so we can still be stuck here a bit before to dump or to pump, you know. So yeah, but now we're gonna check, you know, goals we can reach here. So that will be the 100 targets here. So we're gonna check the retracement, the 7, we're gonna do with common goals, you know. So 61.8 will be the retracement here. It have more chance to stop on this 50% or on the, or I mean between, you know, the 50% and the 61.8. So we're gonna say 61.8, that is the most common goal for wave 2 retracement here. We're gonna take this Fibonacci here extension tool, and we're gonna see which price we can reach with this bullish scenario on the wave 3 here. It will bring us to 55k, almost 56. Let me check here. Yeah, like that. So that will be the wave 3 top. This is the most common targets for wave 3, sorry. We can still go, you know, to the 261.8. That will bring us to 70k, and this is terrible, this is crazy. This bullish scenario will be really cool. I would love to do that, but the problem is this other scenario much more, you know, to the downside here. So yeah, really uncertain market currently, and that's a problem. So yeah, 161.8, we're gonna stay with common goals, you know, on this. So after this 38-point retracement, if we do a 61.8, of course it can change if we go lower, a bit higher, if we stop on the 50%. If we stop on the 50% retracement, it's a 50% retracement too. So here it's have more chance to stop on the 38.2 just right there, you know, here, and the wave 5 will bring us here to the 61k. So that's pretty cool. It will do almost a double top here, you know, with the previous all-time high, and after this, you know, bigger wave 1 here, like that, bigger wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5. So it will be stuck inside this range of price, you know. It will be like another range here after this wave 3, 4, 5 to reach this top just right there. So we're going to see if we do here, we're going to see if it can match, you know, with the targets on the top of this big yellow wave here. So 61.8 will be the target, the most common target, and it will bring us to the top of this range, you know, here. So top to bottom here, 161.8. So I'm going to go on the daily chart time frame because yeah, so as you can see, it's a bit below the wave 3 just right there. So that will bring us to 92k. That will, guys, this is just insane, for real, this is insane. And the wave 5 here, it's a bit early, sorry, to do that, you know, but just to give you an idea of where we can go, which price we can reach. Then here, 38.2 retracement here is expected after 61.8. So I don't know about this retracement, you know, we have to be inside, you know, to see the correction, the pattern here, to determine the bottom of the bottom, you know, we can reach. So anyway, bottom here, top here, it's not well placed, I think. Yeah, it's a bit high here. Alright, perfect. So top is not well placed too, like that, perfect. So, and it matched, as you can see here, it clearly matched with the target on this wave 3 top. It's a bit higher, but on big time frame, you know, we can not exact this, we can do some candles above, you know, this, and then retrace to do this wave 4, and that will be, so we're gonna go a bit higher here. And after this wave 4 retracement here, just right there, and then so it will bring us almost, no, it's a bit higher than the previous all-time high here, and then the wave 5, you know, that will bring us to, oh wow, look at the price on the right here, this is insane. So yeah, 130k, after this wave 4 retracement here, and then the wave 5 cannot be I cannot find this, you know. We have to be inside to determine the price we can reach here. And after this, guys, it's another Elliott wave, you know, here. After this, the big wave 1, but yeah, as you can see, this big white one, 1, 2, 3. The blue one here is a smaller wave, you know, of this wave 3. The big white one here. So don't check the price here. We can go really high, you know. I just do this with common goals. We can still do some extension, you know, inside the wave 3 and go really high. But anyway, this is the price we can reach here on this wave 3 top, you know, 100k. So that's pretty cool. So what we're doing, yeah, green candle here, red green. So guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the chat. So yeah, I think that's everything, you know, on Bitcoin. The two possible scenarios here, two possible things we can do here. This is really uncertain here. Not a good idea to try to short here, in my opinion. So yeah, so you guys, don't forget to join the Discord server. We have there is a Moonshot community Discord server. The link is just right below, sorry, in the description. And yeah, also don't forget to follow on follow me on Twitter, you know, just right there. I'm not really active on it, but I'm gonna try to be more active on this social media here. But yeah, just right there. So you guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. But yeah, I really think more about this scenario, you know, the two, I mean, I think more about this one, but the other one is still possible, so that's the biggest problem here, you know. And smaller waves match with each scenarios. I mean, if I find, you know, these waves here inside, that will be pretty cool, because we will be able, you know, to determine where we can go after this. Problem is, this wave is so strange, you know. Smaller wave inside don't match, you know, with everything. As I told you, probably did something like that, you know, with an extension inside the wave 5 or inside the wave 3. So yeah. Wait. So what is doing the Ethereum? I'm just going to check quickly here. Alright. Cardano and Matic here. Alright, so yeah. Bitcoin possible, yeah, two possible scenarios that are really possible. Both scenarios are possible here. Just right there. And you guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is really important for me. I don't know, 4 is good. So yeah, for new people that joined the live stream, this is a possible bullish scenario here, just right there, you know, with impulsive Elliott waves. I'm going to change this one, you know, the color of this one. Maybe in this color, yeah, looks good. And minor here. Yeah, like that. Like that. So this will be the possible bullish scenario, you know, if you wasn't on the live stream, you know, previously. Wave 1, 2, 3 maybe not finish yet. We can still do an extended flat here, ABC here, retrace 123% just right there on this B wave, and then do the wave down. You know, it will not be the dump here, it will do after this the wave 5. That will be the smaller waves, you know, for this big wave 1 here, wave 2 retracement, after this wave 3, 4, 5, and we will go. I did this all the work, you know, before in the live stream. That will bring us really high, as you can see here. So these are all the waves, you know, on Bitcoin here. The yellow one is a smaller one, yellow waves here are the smaller wave. This big wave 3 is the blue one here. So it will bring us to 30k here on this top, around there, you know, around there. It's approximately. because yeah, we have to be inside the wave here to determine which price we can reach exactly, you know. So yeah, that will be the possible bullish scenario here. And yeah, here it will be the bearish scenario. I mean, on short term, you know, here maybe on 4 hour it's gonna be easier like that. So that will be the possible bearish. I mean, this is our current scenario on the Discord server, you know, but the other one match really too. So this is so uncertain currently, you know. It's not a good idea, you know, in my opinion, to short from here. It's too uncertain here. So yeah, this bearish scenario here, we did the WXY on I mean, we are on the wave, on an impulsive wave, you know, just right there. Wave 1 here, the blue, the dark blue one here. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, just right there. Inside the wave 2, we are in the WXY. As you can see, the light waves here, blue light here. We did the Y leg here. We just bought this bottom here with VIPs and free members too on the server. That was an insane trade here. We just closed the trade around there, you know. I mean, I should have the trade, or maybe not, because that was for another thing. Yeah, this one is not valid. Yeah, but anyway, that's not the thing here. So yeah, Y leg here, and that will bring us after this, you know, with this wave 3 here, 4 and 5, around the 23k here. And we can still go more down, you know, to these 100 targets here, because yeah, we are on the C wave here, from this big ABC, you know, ABC, and that will bring us, you know, on the first target. That will be around 22k, and the next one will be on the around the 11k, you know, here. The last target is not really possible, you know, in my opinion. It's really too low. It will bring us to 5,000, you know, so it's not really possible. And the other one, the last possible target, normally is just a negative number, so it's just not possible at all to do something like that, you know. So you guys, in the following weeks, it's going to be really decisive. You know, maybe in the following days, we don't know, if we break these tops here, we are possibly in the bullish scenario here, you know. Just right there. So, oops, not this one. So yeah, 23k first target here, and then 11k just right there below here. Yeah, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And also, yeah, don't forget to join the Discord server, the Moonshots Discord server, you know. Just right there, we have a cool community on it. Community here is really cool. So yeah, feel free to join the Discord server here. I post free and paid analysis. Of course, as a free member, you're gonna get some free trades. But yeah, let's trade than VIPs, you know. But anyway, anyway here. So. And also, yeah, don't forget to follow on Twitter. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter here. I was not reactive, as I said, but yeah, I'm going to try to be more active on this. But anyway, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Yeah, I think I said everything, you know, on Bitcoin here. Bearish scenario here to the downside, and bullish scenario here. That will bring us to really high prices. I would love to see that. But yeah, I would like also to a good retracement, you know, to buy some Bitcoins here. That would be really good. So yeah, yeah, guys, I think that's all. I said everything on Bitcoin. I show you the two possible scenarios here. And yeah, another one will be, I said it, you know, at the beginning of the video, but I'm going to do it again for people that was not on the live stream. We can still do so not this wave, of course, here the scenario 1 here. We can also possibly, you know, finish this correction wave here by, for example, All right, come on. Anyway, not a problem. We can possibly, you know, finish this B wave here. The problem is here it touched exactly the 38.2 retracement that is typical of a zigzag correction wave, you know. So that will match, and it match, you know, with the current two possible scenarios here. I mean, we do a triple correction wave here, for example WXY, but WXY cannot finish with the WXY, so it will mean a triangle after this, and I like to imagine this. It will be just so boring and terrible, really terrible. I'm going to move back this. Alright, perfect. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this live stream. It was a pleasure to present you these two possible scenarios. Don't forget to join the Discord server. We have a cool Discord server here for the Moonshots community. Also on Twitter, and yeah guys, see you in the next video, and maybe on the next live stream. See you guys.
Be up all night until